Hi Jamaica and hi friends of Jamaica. I wanted to start off by just saying thank you so much for continuing over these weeks to keep returning and coming back and listening to Good News Jamaica, where you are guaranteed to be fed with positive, awesome and amazing content about Jamaica and Jamaicans. You see me smiling here. You know why I'm smiling? Because there are so many things happening in Jamaica right now that gives my heart a lift. So I wanted to share with you today some of the things that make me smile today. The first story that I wanted to share with you is about this company called Mint Cleaners Limited. You know, we've been talking in previous episodes just about how innovative Jamaicans are. And so this company has continued with the innovative trend that we're well known for. So Mint Cleaners Limited did not exist before the COVID pandemic, but they saw that there was a need, there was a gap to provide additional sanitation support. So what did they do? They went ahead and they started a business. But let me just give you a little backstory into this company. The gentleman who owns this company, his name is PJ Wright. So on Sunday, the 3rd of May, PJ Wright turned up in Tree accompanied by his team members. They embarked on that spot to do what? To clean 300 public transport taxi operators' cars. Unbelievable. They were offering them free sanitization services. The bill paid by the Ministry of Transport and Mining and the Transport Authority. This is an amazing contribution to the fight against the COVID virus. Now, can you imagine a taxi operator? You're going up and down the place every day with a lot of passengers. You are also concerned about being able to transport your customers in the safest environment possible. And here it is that the Ministry of Transport has foot the bill for Mint Cleaners Limited to come and give you a free clean. This is amazing. It's amazing. It's innovation. You know, Mint Cleaners, they're saying that they want to continue providing this service for an indefinite period. And we're hoping that there will be a continuation of the ministry being able to foot the bill so that they can take this very needed service into some other areas. So let me tell you another amazing thing about this experience with Mint Cleaners Limited as we're hearing the story unfolding. So I told you before that Mr. Wright was into the entertainment and the restaurant business. And when he saw that this business was folding, these businesses were folding, he was very determined that he didn't want to send home his workers. So he said to them, I'm going to find something for you to do. And he knew he had to find something for them to do because they couldn't go home without any employment. And so, as we have said before, him turned him hand and made fashion. As they were cleaning the vehicles, and the reporter that was on the spot, he was explaining to the reporter that there is a gentleman right there. His name is Smiley. You know who Smiley was in his previous businesses that he had? Smiley was the bearer. And now Smiley has turned into what? A germ buster. So Smiley is out there all dressed in his hazmat looking suit and also with a facial mask, and he's sanitizing vehicles. Amazing story. So the other story that brought a brilliant smile to my face today was reading about this Jamaican-owned company. It's a Jamaican BPO, business process outsourcing company called ITAL BPO. Now, ITAL BPO, we're reading that they have provided, since this COVID fight has begun, that they have provided $14 million in contact services to the Ministry of Health and Wellness. This is amazing, guys. These stories, they go unnoticed, they go unapplauded and recognized sometimes. And we want to make sure that we bring these stories into your ear at all times. Now, you all know that the government launched their One Love hotline. Have you ever thought about the management of the hotline? Where did they get the staff from to support the hotline and all the calls that would be coming into it? Well, what we have found out is that this Jamaican-owned BPO, they have been delivering 24 hours, 7 days per week inbound phone support. Yes, the phone support involves them handling calls that are of an emergency nature. They answer questions, they provide important updates to the callers, and they also capture data and assist the Ministry of Health and Wellness. All of this, my friends, is very, very critical at this time in supporting the COVID pandemic fight that we're engaged in. And if you think of the cost of this company absorbing this for these workers, they won't stop. They have guaranteed that they will continue to donate $2 million per week of services. But I am just very happy that these contact service workers were redeployed so that we didn't have an increased rate of persons who were unemployed during this period. So I just want to say a big thank you to all of the executive team at ITAL BPO who came up with this very innovative idea and also to come on board to support in this fight. Thank you so much. If you know what good for you, you will like, share, comment, and subscribe so that you can continue to receive more amazing transformational content from Good News Jamaica, because we want to continue to provide you with amazing, positive, and empowering information. And don't forget to go to goodnewsjamaica.com so that you can check out all of our wonderful information that we have there. Lots of stories for you to read up more about what we just shared. So until next time, keep safe, keep healthy, and remember, wash your hands really, really good and tanner your yard.